What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video, for following along with my journey here trucking, owner-op at Landstar. If you got questions about Landstar, concerns, whatever, you're new to Landstar, feel free to reach out. There's a bunch of us here. The trucker stable, check him out. Robbie is a cool dude. He's been at Landstar for a while. He's also a vet, so thank you for your service, man. If you guys get to meet Robbie, excellent dude. A lot of people just like him for the dog. I mean, he's got a cool dog. But good dude there. Glad I got to meet him last night, and gave me this hat, swapped some merch, all that good stuff. So again, good dude. If you get a chance to meet him, take that opportunity. Nice guy. Lucky to call him a friend. So let's get to this load here. I am hauling Toxic. That's my favorite. The Toxic there, the placard. Some kind of powder or something for tires. This load is, I do not like how they loaded this load at all. I got loaded in the dock right over there. It took me about 30 minutes or so to strap this thing up, but let me climb up here and show you guys what I'm talking about. This is, loaded it right down the middle, so I had to strap it, and it's only 21,000 pounds, so they could have loaded this completely different and it would have made life a whole lot easier, but it is what it is. Got it strapped up. I do believe that is what I need. It's not gonna go anywhere, can't go side to side, front and back, all that good stuff. So we strapped up because he is shiesty, because she is. Anywho, we are headed down to South Carolina. I haven't been down that way in a while. Gonna have to go over the Eagle. Y'all know the deal. My pipes are still new, so I can't help myself. They didn't give me a seal on this load, so I'm gonna put my lock on it before we leave. Other than that, guys, I got my air filters changed. I'm gonna put a picture up here of what they look like, because I think it's time for some new ones. They're pretty bad. But yeah, got the air filters changed out, or the skins on the filters at least. And I also put a new brush on my steps. I need to order new brackets for the bottom step there, and the new steps, the new things, because they're all wore out on the bottom. But I put a new brush on my step because the last one fell off at some point, way back when. I don't know when, but whatever. Got all that stuff done. Let's get on the road. Wasting time. We're going to Firestone. So yeah, let's go.
A child was born early this morning, trash can for a tune. The fireman pulls a teenage girl from a burned out room. Across town, the needle stings another empty spoon. You sell your body to get some money, you'll feel better soon. The choice is made and the price is paid, boy, go to your room. The choice is made and the price is paid, but don't you say what I've done to you. The choice is made and the price is paid, needle and the spoon. Folks' house, 2 shots ring out early afternoon. They can't afford the medicine, they can't afford their food. A little girl, she runs away, she's running today. Hides behind her excess weight from the things her father say. Choice is made and the price is paid. Boy, go to your room. The choice is made and the price is paid. Well, don't you say what I've done to you. The choice is made and the price is paid. Needle and the spoon. I've made some choices, mistakes along the way, and I've made a...
Alright guys, stopping for our safety check. Man, that guy's coming in hot. Check everything, make sure we're all good. I'm gonna check this load real quick. And let's do that, what do you say? Jump up in there, make sure it's all good. Last time I got in a trailer, somebody made the suggestion I should definitely open the door all the way, possibly two of them, so they can't do anything, so nobody could shut it on me. But looks like we're all strapped up nicely still. Alright, we're gonna shut all this up and then I'm gonna walk around the other side of the truck. Then we're gonna get on the road. Go ahead and do some Jake breaking down the hill. Did y'all see coming up in the fast section, whatever, just a minute ago, coming up the hill where the cops were on the right hand side? The guy's like, come on, come on. So I kind of smashed on a little bit and he's like, come on, yeah. I was like, right on, okay, I'm in the right lane, but all right, that's fine, I'll go quicker around you. But yeah, I just thought it was cool. He gave me a thumbs up, like, yeah, there you go, let's go. It's funny. Anyway, it's funny to me at least. Let's get on the road. truck is in front of me. Other than that, it's all good. Made her down safely. We're gonna roll on. Get on around Atlanta, or through Chattanooga first, then around Atlanta. I'll see you guys in a bit.
I remember as a child, Kentucky hills where I grew wild, chasing after rainbows and shadows of my dreams. Nowadays when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at, but at least I know where I've been. Grandpa kept the family fed and he worked himself half to death. Grandma took care of him, cooked and cleaned and sewed his clothes for his children, don't you know? To Grandpa that meant everything. And I remember as a child, Kentucky hills where I grew wild, chasing after rainbows and shadows of my dreams. Nowadays when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at, but at least I know where I've been. And I remember as a child, Kentucky hills where I grew wild, running barefoot through the streams.
Wow. Oh, goodness gracious, guys. So we got off Monteagle. Y'all seen that little bit of a backup we had getting up the Eagle. It was like that all the way. Once we hit the bottom, and about 5 more miles east of Monteagle, it was nothing but back up and back up. I left the Antioch TA after I got fuel about 12:30ish, about 12:45, right in that area. It was 6 hours and like 12 minutes to get over here, and I am getting over here now at 9:26 Eastern, so 8:26. So 2 hours of backed up traffic, 2.5 hours of backed up traffic. Just sucked. Like it was so bad. All the way down to Atlanta. And once I got on 20 outside of Atlanta, it finally cleared up. So it was rough, but we're getting over here. We got 0.8 miles to go. And I'm thankful for that. It has been a long day. I haven't sat in traffic like that for a long time. It was pretty brutal. Usually it's like one time you might sit for 30 minutes or so at one spot because of an accident, but I didn't see one accident other than the whole thing east of the or west of the Eagle, where the police were telling me to keep going. And I didn't see anything else after that. There was no accidents. There was nothing. No construction. I mean, it was all wide open, but we were just going slow. I do believe this is my turn here. Bridgestone shipping. Receiving is on down. It's ready to go on down. So where is the receiving at then? Oh, tractor trailers. Okay. We got to find a spot to turn around, ladies and gentlemen. This looks like as good as any, right? Yes, that's what I was looking for. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't just bust a U-turn, because that would have been even more difficult. But oh, there's no median right here. All right, I'm going to turn this off and check in. All right, so we're gonna go down here to the left. I guess there's some docks that we're gonna get into. I asked her if I was able to go ahead and like back into the dock so I can unstrap all this craziness I got, or if I had to unstrap it before I get to the dock. What was a 14 and a half miles per hour speed limit? Like 15 was just too much, and 10, that's not enough. 14 and a half. I've seen them 14 and a third, or 10 and a third, 9 and a half. Like I've seen some weird speed limit signs, but that's all right. Volvo. Lady was super nice though. I'm gonna check in with whoever's over here. I'm assuming I'm gonna use this one door that looks like it's open. Yep. And I'll get back to you guys.
I grew wild, chasing after rainbows and shadows of my dreams. Nowadays when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at, but at least I know where I've been.
Alright guys, we got all these straps off of here, so y'all can see. Got a nice pile of them right there. Alright. Now, we're going to roll all these up.
Kentucky hills where I grew up, running barefoot through the streams, sleeping up in the hayloft. Back then there was no cost. Nowadays there's a price on everything. Grandpa kept the Bible read, then he'd run his young'uns off the bed. Grandma sat next to him. They gave us trust and showed us love. Have faith in the Lord above. To me, that meant everything. And I remember as a child, Kentucky hills where I grew wild, chasing after rainbows and shadows of my dreams. Nowadays when I look back, it's hard to tell right where I'm at, but at least I know where I've been. At least I know where I've been.
Alright guys, we are unloaded. We got the placards off of this thing. I gotta leave one door open to get out of the guard shack here. There's a pilot at this exit somewhere down the road, so like 2 miles down the road from where I got off at. Hopefully they got parking. If not, I'll have to figure out something else. I do not have a load after this one. It's Saturday night. I'm hoping that I will be able to book a load first thing in the morning, something I can pick up tomorrow and deliver Monday. We'll see. Just have to see how it goes. But thank you guys for following along. I appreciate all the love and the support you guys have shown me, my family, this channel. You guys are absolutely awesome. If you got any questions, like I said, about Landstar or anything else pertaining to trucking, I might be able to help. So feel free to reach out. I'll do what I can for you. If I can't answer your questions or whatever the case may be, I should be able to refer you to somebody who might be able to. So y'all be good. Stay safe out there. Let your family know you love them. Don't have too much fun, guys. Thank a veteran. Stand up for what you believe in, guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all be good. Stay safe out there.